in the eighth question it is given, if the triangle ABC in question 7 above is revolved about the side 5 centimeters, then find the volume of the solid so obtained. Find also the ratio of the volumes of the two solids obtained in question 7 and 8. That is, let's first take a look at the question number 7. In the seventh question, it was given that a right triangle is there, ABC, with sides 5 centimeters, 12 centimeters, and 13 centimeters, is revolved about 12 centimeters. Then find the volume of the solid so obtained. That is, it was given that it was revolved about 12 centimeter side, but in 8th question they are saying that it is revolved about 5 centimeter side. That is, now there is a right triangle, the same right triangle is there. Instead of revolving it about 12 centimeter, it is revolved about 5 centimeter. That is, it will be revolved like this, and this 12 centimeter side will come to the right side also. That is, the 12 centimeter sides will become the radius. So this is the case. That is, 12 centimeter side will become the radius. So it means that the radius will be 12 centimeters this time and height will be 5 centimeters. Now we have to find the volume. So volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h, 1 by 3 into pi into r into h. So this, let's substitute the values. 1 by 3 into pi into radius is 12 this time. So 12 square into 5. This comes out to be 240 pi cubic centimeters. So this is the volume in this case when it is revolved around the 5 centimeter side. And then it is also asking about the ratio of the volumes we got in 7th question and in 8th question. So in 7th ratio is equal to volume in question 7 by volume in question 8. In question 7th we got the answer is 100 pi cubic centimeters, and in 8th question we have got 240 pi cubic centimeters. So this comes out to be 5 by 12, or it can be equal to 5 ratio 12. So the ratio of the two volumes is 5 ratio 12.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.